Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use image to image on Leonardo AI. Okay, first things first, begin by opening any web browser on your PC and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the first search result to access the Leonardo AI website, then log in with your existing account or create a new one if you are new to the platform. If you are a new user, you'll need to enroll in the whitelist. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the Leonardo AI homepage. On the homepage, you'll find various tools available in Leonardo. Scroll down to see recent creations by other users for inspiration. To use the image prompt feature, scroll down in the left side menu and select Image Generation. In the editor settings, click on Browse to upload the image you want to use as a prompt. Choose the number of results you want along with their dimension, select a model, and you can choose custom models or platform models. After selecting your preferred options, tap the Generate button. You can then add a custom prompt if you like. Leonardo AI will then generate the results in the selected style, similar to your target image. And that's it. Hopefully that solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use image to image on Leonardo AI. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.